Hi, it's Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. May is the month that we get the urge. You know, the urge to swerve into the garden shops. Even if we don't want to kneel in the dirt ourselves, those colorful pots of plants are just irresistible. Growing up, my dad would start the seedlings indoors, and he couldn't wait to get them outside to see what would survive. We didn't have Google back then to consult. But now, doing a bit of research before you buy your seeds or your plants could save you money and planting time. Plan where you want the flowers and where's the best spot for the vegetables. Is your yard mostly shady or sunny? Check to see which flowers and vegetables are most suited for our temperatures, and see which wildflowers are native to Wisconsin. In my experience, planting a garden is one of the top things that buyers look forward to when they purchase a new house. Travis and I have found that pretty landscaping can put extra dollars in your pocket when it comes to selling. And just like selling or buying a house, don't just wing it. Consult the professionals. Ask at the nursery or the garden center for advice and tips to get the most bang for your buck when it comes to your garden. Thanks for tuning into this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any friends or family that are planning to move, pass along our information. We promise we'll work hard for them too. Thanks again.